Okay, the technology I decided to learn about is called the Project Gutenberg, and it's an online site where you can access a lot of free audiobooks. There's thousands on here. It's really good for finding classics or good fiction or even nonfiction novels. And it's super easy to access. You just go to Gutenberg.com, and at the top it has some of the latest books that they've added. There's a place where you can donate so they can digitize more books. And then on the left-hand side or at the bottom, it will show you exactly how you can search for different books. You can do the most popular, or you can search by title or by author. So if I were looking for, let's say, Alice in Wonderland, I'd go ahead and just type it in here, or I could go to the book search and it'll pull up a bunch of different options. And so I can see some of these are audiobooks, which is a cool feature. They have audiobooks as well as ebooks. And they also have some dramatized versions of Alice in Wonderland. So you basically just click on it and then you can download or just pull up in a different screen. So this is the audio book. You can play to your class, or this is the normal version of Alice in Wonderland, and this is a dramatized version. So this would be really cool if you wanted to role play in your class. So you have your read aloud. You could also do book shares, which would be really cool. You could give them different options of different books they want to read on their own. So I love this site because it is free. It's really accessible. You can download on Kindles or just on a PDF, and you can do this at your home. I also think it's really cool how with the dramatized version you could print it out and give copies to your class, and then you could do a role play. So I would rate the usefulness 7 out of 10 just because there are a ton of books, but sometimes not all the ones that you might be looking for to typically read in a 6th grade class. It's user-friendly, so I'd give it an 8 out of 10. And impact on learning, I would give a 7 out of 10 because it could be very beneficial, but also maybe not completely your first choice, but it can be very useful.